Welcome to Lingaya's Vidyapeeth, where learning meets innovation and ideas turn into impact. Are you ready to transform your passion into purpose? Join mechanical engineering at Lingaya's Vidyapeeth, where ideas are forged into reality. Mechanical engineering is not just about machines. It's about shaping the future. At Lingaya's Vidyapeeth, mechanical engineering goes beyond textbooks. It's where creativity meets precision, and students become creators of change, shaping the future with skills that drive industries forward. At Lingaya's Vidyapeeth, we believe in innovation and excellence with the Mechanical Engineering program. Our auditorium stands as the heart of Lingaya's Vidyapeeth, hosting insightful lectures, expert talks, and prestigious events with our esteemed faculty and distinguished guests. And every student's voice is heard. Our auditorium offers comfortable, spacious seating and a fully air-conditioned environment, ensuring every event is experienced in comfort and style.
At Lingaya's Vidyapeeth, our mess serves delicious, hygienic meals prepared with care, ensuring you enjoy tasty food in a clean and safe environment every day. Step into our well-stocked library, a quiet sanctuary where knowledge meets curiosity. With vast collections of books, journals, and digital resources, it's the perfect place to study. Lingaya's Vidyapeeth provides reliable and safe bus transportation, ensuring students commute comfortably and conveniently from various locations. Our boys' hostel offers the perfect spot to relax and unwind after a busy day. Clean and hygienic living spaces designed for comfort and convenience. Plus, enjoy the refreshing swimming pool. At Lingaya's Vidyapeeth, innovation meets excellence in academics and beyond. Join us to build your future.